This is Golaulim Satari Taluka. We have come all the way about 3-4 kilometers from Thane and close to Valpoi, almost 15 kilometers from Valpoi. This is a mountain that has been taken over by Alcon Constructions. We will show you the destruction that is going on. There is no signboard, nothing here. They are blasting 3 times a day and the whole ground shakes up. We know some people spoke to us on condition of anonymity that they get terrified when this blast takes place. The whole earth, the whole mountain shakes up. We shall also show you that how the mountains are being destroyed by going up right straight in the heart of the mountain. It is done so silently and right inside that nobody can approach there. But we, the Nice Goenka team, decided to go for it and check it out. And so we will be back to show you all the things, how things are going on. Very soon you will see the destruction that has taken place. Nobody is bothering. The nearby farms are terrified of them as the blast starts shaking all the mountains and whatever they have done. So let us see if we can find. Let us see what we find up.
JCB machine lying here. At the moment it is idle due to rains. This is the powerful machinery that is used to do away with all the extracted ore. As we can see how the mountain has been drilled and flattened. This is it at Golaulim, between Golaulim and Golaulim Satari, somewhere close to Thane. Me and my team visited this spot to see what, when we heard from the people, to see what the extent of destruction that has been caused by this Alcon Constructions. We spoke to the local people who were very much frightened to give the actual recount of this incident. But one thing they were sure to tell us that there were blasts going on around any time of the day, at least 3 or 4 times a day, and crores material was being taken out per day from these mountains. When we visited, we found the mountains being leveled, which cannot be seen right from the street, but only after going straight to the particular place. We found no signboards, nothing. And those people who spoke to us told us that their houses have started getting cracks. Their houses are shaking with the blasts, violent tremors at every blast. But they are very much frightened because according to what we have heard, could be right, could be wrong, that even the chief minister is included in this scam of earning money illegally. Alcon Construction has been doing away with this mountain, as you can see here, and very soon it will all be over. There will be a flat or even a basement for this out of this mountain, which was a huge mountain. We tried to trace any signboards to see here, but we couldn't find any. No signboards, nothing, just this rough road leading, which you cannot make out from here at this point of entry.